Hi all, welcome back to another video. This video is a short tutorial to show you how to make creative thumbnail using KineMaster Pro. I will also provide the direct download link in my description so that you can download KineMaster Pro for free. So this is jainjejo and you're watching Creative Lab. Now let's get started. First of all, the app we need is KineMaster Pro, and the app which I have is a paid version, and you can download it for free from my description so that you can unlock every features it has. Then after downloading, open the application. Next, click on the plus button and choose 16:9 ratio, which is the standard ratio for uploading thumbnail and video on YouTube. Now select the image or video you wanted to edit. And here I will show you how to create a thumbnail from the part of a video. For the time being, I will choose this video and I will show you what all things we can do over here. Now for getting a precise image from a video, I am going to zoom out like this and select the best still which is suitable for your video content. Now just click on the playhead again. Now click on the scissor option and choose the fourth option from here. This option helps us to freeze the part of the video and form a motionless image where you have to perform the necessary editing. For increasing the brightness and contrast, you can adjust over here. Now for writing a keyword on thumbnail, click on layer and choose text option and type whatever according to your choice. Now click OK. Now place the text wherever you wanted and change the color using this color template. You can also enlarge the size by dragging on the bottom right corner of the text. You can change the font by clicking over here and you can see a lot of font available here. And if you want more, click on the store button. You can get many fonts with different languages than any other application and it is totally free. For downloading this, click on the download option and it will be saved automatically. You can make it more attractive by using an outline over here and just enable it and change the color of your choice. Change the width by adjusting over here. This is just a simple demonstration to show you how to use KineMaster Pro for editing thumbnail and what all features available, and it is easy to use and you can make it more attractive and beautiful with your full potential. Now for adding images, click on layer and choose media and select the downloaded images which is suitable for your video. And if you wanted to remove the part of an image, choose crop option. Now place it in a desired position and these all are up to you. You will also get other features like effects and overlay, which are optional to use. You can also add unlimited layers using this application. So after doing everything of your choice, click over here and choose capture and save. Now your required image has been saved in the internal storage or gallery. You can see the image over here and you can use this thumbnail to upload on your YouTube video using YT Studio. And this is how we create a thumbnail using KineMaster Pro. So that's all about today's video and I hope you all enjoyed. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more creative stuff. I will catch you next video. Till then, peace.
But I can't do better.